For years, the idea of a truly accessible Tesla lingered in the background. Now, a compact model on a 2026 timeline aiming under $10,795 brings that promise within reach. The real question is whether that price can survive contact with reality, materials, manufacturing, and the everyday refinement buyers expect. Can smart choices on the outside, from clean LED lighting and laminated glass to simple aero panels, carry a premium look without premium cost? Inside, will tactile surfaces and intuitive screen layout and quiet road manners feel genuinely upscale, and underneath, can sensible brakes and suspension geometry deliver comfort and confidence while keeping maintenance light? We will test each claim step by step, from the body to the cabin to the hardware that keeps it rolling. If you want a clear, practical verdict as this story unfolds, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. 1. What makes Model 2 look premium at around $10,000? A smart lighting package is the first win for the Tesla Model 2 because it combines a premium look with simple, serviceable parts. Instead of a complex matrix headlamp system, the car can use standard LED projectors paired with a continuous DRL light bar. The projector optics still deliver a crisp cut that keeps glare out of oncoming traffic, while the DRL signature remains clean and recognizable from a distance. The real upside is cost and repairability. High-end matrix or laser assemblies can add several thousand per pair when you include the light modules, cooling hardware, and a dedicated control ECU. A projector setup uses fewer emitters and simpler electronics. So the total parts bill falls sharply, and a minor parking scrape becomes a quick module swap rather than a full lamp replacement. That lets Model 2 look upscale in the showroom and stay affordable at the body shop. From what you see, move to what you feel inside the Tesla Model 2. A laminated windshield with a PVB interlayer combined with side glass that filters UV and trims infrared heat can make the cabin noticeably calmer and cooler. Acoustic windshields have been measured to cut up to about 6 dB at higher frequencies, with a typical overall cabin reduction of roughly 2 to 3 dB. That reads small on paper, but is very clear to the ear during highway cruising. Quality automotive glazing can block up to about 99% of UV, which protects soft touch surfaces from fading, while IR control helps lower parked car temperatures by several degrees Celsius. Less solar load means the air conditioner does not have to work as hard during the first minutes after you start driving, which saves energy and helps the Tesla Model 2 deliver consistent range in hot weather. Finish where efficiency hides: under the car and around the wheels. A flat underbody panel in recycled polypropylene smooths air flow beneath the Tesla Model 2. PP is light at roughly 0.90 G per cubic cm compared with steel at about 7.85 G per centimeter. So large parts are inexpensive to mold, easy to handle on the line, and cheap to replace if damaged. Smoothing the underfloor can trim drag by a few counts of CD, often on the order of 0.005 to 0.010, which translates to real W hours saved at 60 to 70 miles per hour. Pair that with sculpted aero wheel covers that calm rim turbulence, and you gain measurable range in everyday driving. Independent tests have shown aero covers improving efficiency by around 3.4%, 4% across several speed bands. Add these percentages together and you get a clean, modern exterior that looks high-end while helping the Tesla Model 2 travel farther on each charge without paying for a larger battery. The Model 2 at around $10,000 includes all three. Which one makes the biggest difference in daily use for you? A. LED projectors with a continuous DRL. B. Laminated windshield and UV-IR side glass. C. Flat PP underbody panel with aero wheel covers. Comment ABC with one short reason. 2. How does Model 2 make everyday interactions feel satisfying and seamless while holding the price line? The smartest path is to start with the touch points you use every day and then build outward, because this is where perceived quality and cost control meet. For the window system, Tesla Model 2 can standardize one-touch operation on all 4 doors and certify anti-pinch compliance to FMVSS 118, which requires the glass to stop and reverse before clamp force reaches about 100 newtons. That keeps fingers safe without adding exotic sensors. Pair this with 3 lip hollow weather strips that seal tightly so you get a solid muted door close feel while dust and rain stay outside. Water management is just as important. Many manufacturers target around 300 pascal spray for 10 minutes with 0 ingress during validation, which is a practical benchmark for Model 2. Hidden pressure relief vents at the rear of the body allow cabin air to escape as the door swings shut. The latch does not have to fight trapped air, so the door clicks home with less effort and the action feels quietly premium. From that confident close, the next touch point is the handle. A mechanical flush handle is a cost-balanced choice for Tesla Model 2. Compared with motorized pop-out designs, the mechanical layout removes a 12-volt motor and several position sensors, eliminates dozens of small gears and levers, and can trim roughly $50 to $100 per car, depending on volume and supplier terms. Durability is strong as well. A well-engineered mechanical handle can be rated for about 50,000 to 100,000 open cycles in bench testing, which aligns with long-term ownership. The flush surface keeps the body visually clean and reduces small aerodynamic disturbances near the belt line without adding complex mechatronics that raise warranty risk. Once the mechanical interactions are sorted, entry and startup should feel seamless. Phone S key delivers that for Model 2 using Bluetooth. In typical conditions, the handshake completes in under 1 second, so the car is unlocked as you reach for the handle. Adding ultra-wideband improves ranging accuracy to roughly 10 to 30 centimeters, which tells the car which side you are on and reduces false positives that can happen with signal strength systems. Security and convenience still need a simple backup. The 13.56 MHz NFC key card fills that role and sells for about $40 per 2-card pack. Owners get a reliable physical credential for valet use, phone battery emergencies, or lending the car to family. Together, these choices give Tesla Model 2 a premium everyday feel that is easy to notice, straightforward to service, and disciplined on cost. 3. How can Model 2 ride smoothly and planted without an expensive multi-link setup? Tesla Model 2 can start with a simple yet effective foundation that prioritizes stability, comfort, and cost. A rear torsion beam paired with a What's link keeps the axle.